TheWebStore028, or you can say the campaign store. Okay, in this video we will learn how to configure a chatbot. Okay, if you go here and I'm replying hi or demo, I am not getting any reply from the chatbot. Okay, so let's configure here chatbot. We will go to WhatsApp. My internet is running slow today. Please bear with me. We will go to the number on which we want to configure a chatbot. We will go to chatbot option. See, if you want your chatbot should reply with the button message or a list message, then you have to make a template first here, button message or list message or simple message, and you can just create add new, and here you can check. Here you can select your created messages, button message, it will appear here. But here I am going to set a simple auto reply. Will enable this message contain the keyword. What will be the name of this chatbot? It will be a demo. Enter the keyword. We need to enter the keyword on which we want chatbot to reply. Chatbot demo. This will be the keywords to trigger the chatbot. We will save the response demo. Okay. Now I'm going to give a simple reply. Hello. Please find below my YouTube channel link for demo tutorial info. Please subscribe my channel for all the future updates of portal. So this is my channel link. We will copy here and we will just paste it. And we will save this. So this is the chatbot. We have just configured it, but we have not enabled it. We have to turn on the chatbot. So now it's turned on. Okay. Now check whether I'm getting any reply or not. Demo. I have just typed demo and see the chatbot have replied. So by this way you can configure the chatbot. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for future updates and future videos how to use portal. The campaign show, CloudwaBlaster. Keep messaging, keep campaigning, grow your business. Thank you.